A lot of golf cart owners swear by solar charging. They say it adds extra range, reduces how often you need to plug in, and helps maintain the battery over time. One of the most popular options is the eco-worthy 200-watt solar panel kit, designed to turn sunlight into free, steady power for your cart. But how well does it actually perform in real conditions? Can it really make a noticeable difference, or is it just another shiny add-on? In this review, we'll look at what the eco-worthy kit promises, how it performs in daily use, and whether it's truly worth the upgrade. If you want to check it out, the link's down in the description. And before we go further, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next golf cart gear review. This is the eco-worthy 200-watt solar panel kit, a complete off-grid charging system built for golf carts. It includes two 100-watt monocrystalline panels that convert sunlight at 21.5% efficiency, producing around 800 watt-hours per day in full sun. That's enough to add a few extra hours of drive time or recharge your cart while parked. The 30-amp PWM charge controller prevents overcharging and manages power safely. It also includes USB ports for charging phones or small gadgets directly from solar power. Each panel is built tough with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, tempered glass, and an IP65 rated junction box to block water and dust. It can handle rain, heat, and strong winds on any course or community road. Setup is fast. With pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play connectors, most people finish installation in under an hour. Mount it on your roof, plug it into your batteries, and it starts charging automatically when sunlight hits. One verified buyer said this kit exceeded expectations for the price. He installed it to keep his cart charged through long days, and even on cloudy days it fully recharged by afternoon. His verdict: you can't beat this kit for the money. It just works. If you're tired of running out of power, constantly plugging in, or replacing batteries too often, this is the upgrade to get. The eco-worthy 200-watt solar panel kit gives you clean, renewable energy, longer range, and extended battery life, all with zero hassle. The link's in the description if you want to check it out. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next golf cart review. Stay charged, stay rolling, and let the sun power your ride.